Hi everybody, it's Carla. Excuse me. Welcome to Crafting with Carla. Today's episode is really exciting because today I'm gonna teach you how to use SMART goals to smash the patriarchy and restore some ever-loving balance to the universe for once. Let's get started. First, let's write out our SMART goals. I'm going to use my queen size Sharpie. Let's see. SMART. That smells art. I said smells instead of spells. Smart. So let's talk about what SMART goals are. I think this is something that business people do to make their boss give them more money, and not something that normal people do. So it's a way to keep your job. But if you're just doing this to smash the patriarchy, then you have an actual passion for it that cannot be reduced to dollars. So the S stands for I think it stands for SMART. M, I should have looked these up first. The M in SMART goals stands for mature. Artistic, obviously. What else would it stand for? R, rad. T, I wish I had looked these up first. T stands for terrific. So how you spell terrific? Okay. So now that we know what the SMART goals stand for, I need to zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Isn't it weird? Can I tell you guys? I think it's so weird that paper is this way, but screens are this. Who is in charge? What? Stupid. Okay. Now we want to overthrow the patriarchy. What is a smart thing that we can do to overthrow the patriarchy? We can all work together. I mean us women. Work together. And also men, if they're smart, they'll do it. Okay, mature. I'm not sure. Let's skip that one. Artistic. So use art to overthrow toxic masculinity. That word is too long. Rad. I think this is something you all do naturally, isn't it? Rad. Like nothing you have ever seen before. Like shock and awe. Wait, this one is winking. Terrific. How can we make this terrific? Maybe we'll have an after party. Okay, we skip mature. Mature. I guess clean up afterwards. Question mark? Because I don't like cleaning. Okay, that's it. These are really easy SMART goals that we can use as people who are sick of this shit to make life worth living again. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.